Hey, hello guys, and we're playing on the Xbox. We're playing Fallout 3, and we're going to show you the top 3 best explosions, in our opinions.
Okay, the first one is frag grenade, so let's try this one out. Hold it in for more damage. Okay, let me try it from a little closer distance so you can see that better. Okay. The next one is the pulse grenade, one of my favorites in the whole game.
Oh crap.
Okay. The last one will be a Fat Man mini missile shot.
Everybody loves the Fat Man.
Okay, for this one, I'm gonna shoot it in the water. Yeah, I love Fat Men.
We love fat men.
Okay, so this one's gonna be in the water. And yeah, that's our top 3 explosions. We'll follow up with them once we go to a store and buy some more explosives.